Hi guys, my name is Tabitha. Today I'm going to be giving you guys a look and testing out this mattress vacuum cleaner. So this thing is really cool. I'm super excited to try this out. There are two debris channels here with these little spinning brushes, and they have the silicone flaps, so it really kind of like beats at the mattress to help lift and get things out. And it has a UV light here that only activates when the rollers are pressed in to make sure that people and pets are safe from the light. And that is going to help kill bacteria and other things that might be in the mattress. It has a pretty large dust compartment up here, and it's super easy to detach and clean out. So you just press in the purple button and lift that right off. And then whenever you flip it over, you have access to the filter area up here on the top, and this is removable. You can wash and clean that or replace it. And then on the lid portion of that is this little purple compartment here, and this will allow you to put in some aromatherapy tablets, and they actually provide you with 2 of them in this ocean scent. So I'm super excited to smell those, and it is compatible with similar products, so you can always get your own as well. I wouldn't really say that it smells like ocean. It actually has a pretty floral scent to me, so not my first choice. I was definitely looking for something very fresh, but it might smell different once we get the machine going. It might just be super strong at the source. And then to empty the compartment, it's just a little release here on the bottom, and that will empty out the contents. Now, taking a look back at the vacuum cleaner itself, right above the handle is the large display. Now, this has a simple power button. So you press it once, it will turn it on, and it will put it at 50%. Now this does have a smart chip in it that will sense where there's more dust to be collected. So it will naturally put that up whenever it needs a little bit more power and back down when it doesn't need so much, or you can manually control it by pressing the power button a second time and putting it at 100%. So let's try it out. So you can see it definitely got some stuff out. It's less than I was expecting, honestly, but this thing does a great job. And you should just easily be able to grab this little roller out and clean it and care for it so that you can extend the life of the product. So every time you go to change your sheets, it would be quick and simple and very easy to pull this out and clean your mattress real fast and disinfect it with the UV. So if that is something that you are looking for, if you love to deep clean, or if you just need a way to help care for your mattress and extend its life, this is a great way to do it. I would definitely give this a try.